my channel. My name is Lynn. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a long-time subscriber, then welcome back. Today I'll be doing my desk setup. There really isn't much to say, so let's get into it. Okay, so starting with my desk, this is a table I got from Amazon. It is 47 inches, I believe. And yeah, not much to say. Starting from the left side of my desk, I have my headphone stand. It is also from Amazon. You guys are going to probably hear a lot of products that I bought from Amazon in this video. These are the headphones I use. They are from Beats. I got them a few years back when I was in high school, so. Next, I have my Devoom lamp, also from Amazon. And beside that, I have my Rabbit phone stand I got from AliExpress. And behind that is my Banker lamp I think I got from eBay. Over on the corner, I have my iPad and my iPad stand. My iPad stand is from Amazon, and the same with my iPad case. Beside that, I have these two speakers. My brother actually gifted these to me a couple years ago on a Black Friday sale. They used to be black, but I decorated them with white vinyl paper and painted the center. Here I have my controller stand, also from Amazon. And the first controller I also, again, got from Amazon. But these other two controllers I custom made myself using products from Extreme Rate. Here I have my rechargeable wireless mouse from Razer. And the moon lamp is from Amazon. Not surprised. And my napkin holder is from Amazon. Over here I have my custom built PC I made back during the pandemic. It was built using my spare parts that originally was my brother's, but I took it apart and made it my own. Up here I have a skylight projector. It's from Amazon, obviously, and it just projects the galaxy on my ceilings. Over here I have both my stapler and tape dispenser, and they're from Target. And now onto my Alex drawers, which is from IKEA. In the first drawer I keep all of my post-its and pencils. The second drawer I keep all my washi tapes. In the third drawer I have all of my stickers. In the fourth drawer I have more miscellaneous things like my electronics, just supplies. And in the last drawer I keep all of my crafting supplies. Moving back to the center of my desk, this is what you see. My cloud wrist rest is from Amazon. My keyboard is also from Amazon. And fun fact, this is actually a replacement for my old keyboard which I spilled coffee on. My desk mat, also from Amazon. And my monitor is a 27-inch screen from LG. Moving down, I have my monitor stand from IKEA, and inside I keep some everyday trinkets like my hand sanitizer and my clock clip. On my keyboard's USB-C, I have a cord protector that's Kuromi, along with a cord weight I got both from AliExpress. On the top of my monitor, I have a webcam from Best Buy. And on the left, I have a wall which I hung up a clear clipboard from Amazon, and the heart mirror is also from Amazon. Continuing on to my top shelf, I have a Lego set that was gifted to me by my friend Stephanie. and I built it with my friend Rachel. I have a jewelry box from Amazon, a lantern from IKEA, this dumpling is from Smoko, cloud lamp from Amazon, and this teacup set is actually from Japan, along with a Chromie crochet plushie that my brother's girlfriend made for me. Under my desk, I have a Snorlax that I am matching with my friend Catherine. The Snorlax's name is Harold. And I have a Munchlax that I made at Build-A-Bear with my nieces and nephews. What is she doing? Is she asleep? Okay.
「だけど私の力だけじゃ1000年かかってもあなたを殺せない。だからこの子を少しだけ借りることにする。今夜2時に学校へいらっしゃい。」
And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. And see you guys next time.